Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to be doing a slime kit. It's called Make Your Own Rainbow Slimy Glue. So I did open it already and did some parts because this was going to take a long time. And yeah, so what I did is basically I did 2 steps already, which I did the 90 millimeters, and since this only goes up to 30, I just did 3 of 30 millimeters into 1 cup. You're going to be needing like 8 cups. So I did that, and then it's warm water, and then you add this glue in it and then mix it properly. Comes with everything you need. Then the second thing is doing the same thing, the 90 millimeters of water, and then putting in some the sodium talabret. It comes with it's kind of like the activating part. I don't know. Then you mix that properly, and then you put the 6 remaining cups, like lay them out, and then so they have this paint. So you put so let's say that I used the red, put that whole thing in there, and then put the equal amount of the glue solution in here. So yeah, I was working on the yellow, and I am already done with the yellow. So now I'm going on to the green. I did red, orange, and yellow. Now I'm doing green. So, sorry. Now, every time you're done with the color, you have to wash this. Okay. So now we're grabbing our next cup and opening the green. And then putting it all out. This is paint. Okay, put that in there. Okay, so now I'm grabbing the glue solution and then pouring the same amount of paint. Then I find it easier to just shake it like this, because with this one it just scrapes the bottom of the cup. This kit is for ages 6 and up, so yeah. And I will review it at the end and see if it was worth it. It was like $4. We'll see if it's worth the price. And this is a Walmart kit. And I will be doing another video after this. Who knows, we might need to do a part 2. And I won't even know it because the video stopped. But yeah. Because I did do some other videos before this, but it stops and I lost the footage. So yeah. 2 more colors. I'm onto the blue. The blue looks really pretty. It's like a dark blue. See? It's this one. If you're colorblind. Get it all out. It's okay if you don't get it, if you're just missing a little bit, it's fine. You don't have to get all the sides. Like that, that's good. Okay, close that up. Get the glue solution, put it in. Then I just start myself off mixing with this tool. Wow, this is my favorite color. Not like, just in these paints. And my favorite color is either black or yellow or dark blue. So I guess this is my favorite color. Okay, we're done with this one. I'm gonna put this off to the side. One more color to go. Okay. Okay, so here's the cup. The last color to go is the purple. And Happy New Year's Eve day, I think. Yeah, day. And comment down below what are your New Year resolution. Mine is to do a color run and a mud run. Those seem like really fun. We're done with this. Now we just need to add the glue solution. Start mixing. I'm doing both of my tactics. Okay, we're done with this. We're done with all of our watercolors. So, take the sodium to elaborate solution from earlier and slowly pour a small amount into each paint cup while stirring until your slime gloop is formed. Only a small amount of sodium is needed in each cup, so be careful when adding. Okay, so I think I'm gonna add a little bit more of the glue solution because there is very little in these. So we're adding a little bit in there, and a little bit in there. Be right back.